Hello and welcome to Enoven Recipes. Today we are making crispy and flavorful aloo paratha, a perfect breakfast, snacks or evening treat. It's easy to make and packed with delicious flavors. First, in a mixing bowl, take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. If you want a healthier version, use whole wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. Gradually add 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. It should be smooth and non-sticky. For extra softness, add 1 tablespoon yogurt to the dough while kneading. Now rub some oil on top and cover it. Let's rest for 15 minutes. It helps make soft parathas. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well so that the flavors blend perfectly. Want a cheesy twist? Add some grated cheese to the potato mixture for a delicious fusion paratha. Many people enjoy it for breakfast because it's filling and keeps you energized for hours. Now take a small portion of the dough, dust it with some flour and roll it into a small circle. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of potato filling in the center and fold the edges carefully to seal it. What is your favorite stuffing for parathas? Let's see who has the most unique idea. Comment below. Some street vendors in India and Pakistan make giant size aloo parathas, big enough for an entire family. Now gently roll it out again. Make sure the filling doesn't come out. To avoid stuffing leakage, roll out the dough evenly and don't overfill. Heat a pan on a medium heat and place the paratha. To make it extra crispy, cook on low-medium heat and press gently with a spatula. After a few seconds, brush some oil or butter on top and flip it over. Cook both sides until golden brown and crispy. That's when you know it's perfect. And just like that, your delicious aloo paratha is ready. Serve it hot with yogurt, pickles or chutney. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to Enoven Recipes. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.